Hi everybody and welcome to NTM. We're here again to do a filter replacement on the PF-22 foam cannon. What you're typically going to see with a clogged filter are rust deposits, calcium deposits, hard water as a result of hard water. You can also have crystallized chemical, and over time it's going to happen to any filter. So this can happen in a matter of weeks if you use waxes, and it can happen in a matter of months just with standard use. We do have dealers out there and detailers across the US that claim to have used the same filter for years. Some of those guys attempt to clean it, although the best way to do it is to replace it. So we definitely recommend that you do replace it. In order to replace the PF-22 filter, what you want to do is take off the bottle. Removing the bottle and the filter is going to make it easier for the repair process. The tools you're going to need are a 2.5mm Allen wrench and a standard screwdriver. That's it. You've got a two-stage nozzle, and the two-stage nozzle is compressed with a ball along the nickel-plated brass body, and so since it's pushing against it, it makes this pin a little bit harder to remove. So we insert the Allen wrench, we've popped our pin out, the baffle come right off, and then you have your nylon cone and your O-ring. The O-ring is available in the repair kit, although it rarely needs to be replaced. Even if your foam cannon, if it's installed, the biggest indication besides watery foam is that there's foam and water pouring out of the sides. Well, that's basically because your filter is so clogged that it's created too much back pressure and it is exceeding the pressure limit of the O-ring. The O-ring hasn't failed, it's just pushing around it. It's almost like a fail-safe so this thing doesn't pop. And you can see here, these are not only air intakes, these are relief ports. So your filter is right inside here. So in order to remove it, we're going to take the 2.5mm Allen wrench again, stick it in the end, and there is our filter. Again, the filters are woven stainless steel from Italy. If you compare these to the Chinese versions, they look like a Brillo pad that's been smashed. You don't want that. So that is the secret behind really making sure you have good foam, is to have an excellent filter. It's not technically called a filter, it's actually an agitator. So now we've got our new filter. There's a shoulder inside here. It looks like it's not gonna fit, but it fits every time. And then we reinstall the cone with the shoulder out. It's only gonna go one way, so you can't mess it up. O-ring slides into place. Reinstall the baffle and put your pin back in. That's it. Thank you for joining us today as we repaired the PF-22 foam cannon and replaced the filter. We'll see you soon.